All right, guys. So I'm still with this red. Uh, what is this? Caliper. Yes, I'm still with this red caliper performing my initial car inspection. Look, guys, I grabbed the wheel. Lo and behold, look at this. Y'all see that? Well, the camera's shaking while I'm shaking. So let me put the camera on the tripod. Wow, guys, y'all see that? Most of that play is coming out of the lower ball joint, guys. The other side is the same way. I'm glad I grabbed that. That's why you really need to look at that. The same way, guys. This could easily fool you into thinking it's a rack and pinion. Or now there's some play in this outer tire right here, but there's no play in this one. You see, somebody replaced this already. So I gotta cover my butt, guys. I got excessive play. This wheel here is, now I'm paranoid. I'm about to get up. Look, somebody's been chasing vibration issues, guys. This is brand new balance weight. So somebody's unbalanced the tires, chasing chasing a vibration. I guarantee you the vibration. Look at this. That ball joint gonna fall apart any minute. It will not do it on me, not on my watch. So I gotta put this belt on and go drive this car. But I just want y'all to see that. Now I grabbed the wheel at the 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock position, and but don't let that fool you, because that can very well trick you into thinking you need tie rods. But you grab it at the 12 o'clock and 6, then you'll be able to really see. Look at that, what's loose. Okay, so I got to write that up as well. All right, I need to talk to somebody, because seeing this tells me somebody's been chasing vibration. If any vibration is in this suspension, it's coming from this ball joint. This ball joint is pressed inside this lower control arm. The way they sell it here, the way they sell it is including with the lower control arm. So I don't have a ball joint press tool. All right, I do not. We don't do this anymore. We just get complete control arms, because there's bushings right here also. So we just kill one bird in one stone. But yeah. All right, and yes, guys, this is equipped with a CVT transmission, guys. No different than any other transmission, especially if there's a visible pan. Okay, you can service a CVT transmission. There's a filter in here. In fact, there's 2 filters in here. So you have a way to remove the pan, get the old fluid out, go in with new fluid, and both new filters, guys. If nothing else, a transmission service will help prolong the life of your transmission. Do not panic just because it's a CVT. Don't think you shouldn't mess with it. Service it like anything else, guys. All right, let me go talk to somebody, guys. We'll go from there. Stay tuned. Typical day in the shop. Let's see what's going on over here. I see a mismatch, guys. Well, I see a match. Yes, they both the same, guys. Oh, long block. That's the long block crate right there. So we obviously sticking a long block in it. Good part about this long block, there is not a lot of transferring to do, guys. Unlike the Hemi, you know, the Hemi, you got to take the front cover off, the oil pan off, valve covers, and transfer all of that to the long block that's going on the car. I like this. Basically, exhaust manifolds, and you good to go, right? Right. Oh man, this little gasket right here used to kill us, man. Mine's leaking right now on my red vans that I rent out. These are a pain in the butt to get out. Do those when you're supposed to. They will cause all kinds of problems that you wouldn't believe of. But yeah, I don't know why, guys. I know my next question is gonna be, why are you replacing the engine on that Wrangler? These hold up well. I have no idea why. Okay. Yes, get it out your way, guys. Don't matter what nobody say. Oh, you didn't have to remove this. You didn't have to remove that. Get the hell out of here. Whatever makes your life great and easy, go for it. It only take a few minutes out of your day to remove. Just say the compressor. Yeah, of course, naturally he had to drain it, right? Because the line's off. So he probably sleeping better at night knowing that that crap is out of his way. Look how they do, guys. They let the air out of the tire so the vehicle would drop even more. Yeah, this is kind of high, but they'll have this done by tomorrow, guys. No big. All right, so what's going on down on this end? Hey, look at the truck with the big wheels on it. Nice, very nice. Although these big wheels, man, will wreak havoc on one's suspension system. Look at the size of that thing. That's got to be 22s, maybe. What size is that? That is, ladies and gentlemen, what? Does that say 26? Oh my God, these are 26s. Holy crap. Yes, guys, this can wreak havoc on your suspension system. Look at this rotor. Oh my God. Yes, he wore these brakes smack out. Okay, guys, you cannot resurface. You should not. You see the lip on this thing? Let me bag back some. Y'all see the lip, the deep groove lip on this rotor? And it's slotted. And the pads are, there's no pads left. Yes, guys, that is worn all the way down, okay? 26-inch wheels. I don't know, did that contribute to it? Who knows? But that is some wear on for you, but now, rear. How is it going? How the rears look? Yep, we need brakes all the way around. Look at that, very little left. And I'm sure he's gonna write up rear rotors as well. So front and rear brake job, guys. Yeah, he's definitely not gonna try to turn these rotors. Again, I mean, this stuff look nice, guys. It's fancy, pretty, cute, and all that good stuff. But you wreaking havoc on your suspension. You know what I'm saying? Ball joints are taking more strain on everything, guys. So, you know, it looks good, but I don't know. Is it worth it? You only live once, man. Be happy. Look at this nice Jeep Wrangler right here, guys. I don't want to put everything on display, but that is a beauty, guys. All right, let's go this way.